60 seconds of history. The Littlewoods Pools building opened in 1938. Originally the headquarters of Littlewoods and famous for the Littlewoods Pools, the precursor to the National Lottery. 1 year after it opened, the building was instrumental in World War II, manufacturing a huge variety of items for the war effort, including barrage balloons and 5 million parachutes. The end of the war only increased the appetite of the British public for the pools, and a large number of workers were required to process over 15 million coupons per week. In 1994, Littlewoods finally closed the pools building. Today, the building remains empty, but there are plans for the famous Art Deco building to be restored into a film studio complex. Parkhouse. Capture, create, share.